Hi guys, this is Michael Gaines and welcome to the Ceiling Fan. I have no time to do the details right now. Here's the low. I'm making a quick video because I'm running out of space on this phone. Okay. Come on. This is an unknown 42-inch ceiling fan anyways, what the thing globe. Very cool. Medium. It wobbles, pretty much. Can you see it well with the light off? That makes the camera slow. Ooh, now on high. Yeah, well, it's pretty quite a bit. Should I get the light off again? Now for off. I don't know if this phone has enough time, the space to know how long it's gonna take to slow down. So it's gonna shut off automatically, so you might say goodbye sometimes. Good thing this is on widescreen, right? Alright, thank you all so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll do the reverse in the next video, so goodbye.